වෙල්කම් බැක් ටු මයි YouTube channel. කොහොමද ඔයාලට අද මම මේ වීඩියෝ එක ගේන්නේ අපේ පුතාගේ වැදගත්ම දවසක්. ඉතින් බලාගෙන ඉන්නකෝ ඒ ලස්සන දවස කොහොමද කියලා.
Run free, feel the breeze. No more walls, no more keys. Out of shadows, into light. Chasing whispers through the night. Fly high, touch the sky. No more limits, reach so high. Break the chains, chase your dreams. Let the world hear your screams. Let the world gaze. Step by step, leave the ground. Heartbeats loud, the only sound. Feel the rush, let it guide. Freedom's calling, can't hide. Fly high, touch the sky. No more limits, reach so high. Break the chains, chase your dreams. Let the world hear your screams. Let the world hears. In the distance, see the glow where the wild rivers flow. Through the fire, through the haze, feel the power of your blaze. Fly high, touch the sky. No more limits, reach so high. Break the chains, chase your dreams. Let the world hear your screams. Let the world hears.
Honored to take these moments as the immediate past president of our club to share a few words with you. Good morning, fellow Leos, clients, distinguished guests, friends and family. I'm Huidul and it has truly been an honor to serve as the president of the Leo Club of Goldport. When I first took on this role, I honestly had no idea what I was doing. I was nervous, unsure and honestly a little overwhelmed. But over time, I learned that leadership isn't about being perfect, it's about being a president. Learning, importantly, having people who believe in you. I want to start by expressing my heartfelt thanks to the 306A1 District Council and our Leo advisor, Landwan Galle, helped me find my feet when I was struggling. From explaining how to plan project to showing me what truly leadership looks like, you were there every step of the way. To my executive committee and every Leo in our club, thank you for trusting me, following through on our ideas and making the impossible feel possible. We may be young club, but what we've built in such a short time is incredible. From impactful community service to fun, chaotic planning nights, we did it all together, and I wouldn't trade those memories for anything. Now, one person deserves a very special shout out. My secretary, Leo Senfaranke, my brother, my right hand man, and now our new president. Ramitaya, you were always there for me. Every time I was stuck, confused, or stressed out, you had my back. You supported me without question, and I couldn't have done this without you. Now it's your turn to lead, and I already know you're going to do great things. And don't worry, I'll be right beside you, helping you every step of the way, especially in your journey to win the Excellency Award. Trust me, you've got this. To the new board, take this opportunity seriously, but also enjoy it. Serve with heart, lead with unity, and keep building the amazing spirit we've started here at Goldport. Remember, it's not just about events or reports, it's about people, teamwork, and the change we bring to others. As for me, I'll stepping away for a little while for some RTCS exams, and I won't be as active. I'll be supporting you from behind scenes, cheering you up, and always ready to help if you need. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity, for believing me, and for being a part of this unforgettable chapter in my life. Once a Leo, always a Leo. Thank you.
You Hindu, can you please take it from me? I have to give you appreciation for your work and hard work and dedication. Please take it. For your hard work and dedication, Hindu. Thanks for everything you done. Great job. And good luck for your future.
Chief guest today, District President Leo Anushka. Over to you, Leo Anushka, and I would like to invite Leo Timmy to read out the names of our hosts.
Devjan, Vijayaramani,
The council officers representing all council officers, the club president representing all club presidents, a new Leo representing all new Leos, and a parent representing all parents. And since the beginning of this Leoistic year, they have showcased their leadership skills and as well as, and I would like to congratulate Leo Center a wonderful Leoistic year ahead. So now I hand over the meeting proceedings to the new elected club, Senvaranke.
the newly elected Club Treasurer Leo Tinuli Sudamya to join us and take your seat in the head table. Lions, Leos, distinguished guests, dear friends, and beloved family. It's a true privilege to stand before you today as the newly appointed President of the Leo Club of Gold 4. First and foremost, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our outgoing President, Leo Hunsamu. Your remarkable leadership, tireless dedication, and unwavering commitment over the past year have significantly propelled our club forward. A special thank you for keeping our club to this day and to have this to join me to the honors.